Hey, this is Arlene. So anyways, I just noticed with my skin, I don't know what made me examine it before I took my shower, but it's like really like shiny, like I hadn't bathed it. Then I'm looking really close with my camera and I don't know what the hell is going on. Look at all these like bumps. This is my chest. See my neck? It's got to be from targeting and the chemicals from my clothes. Because my belly, I checked my belly, or I should say my stomach, I sound like a pig, goes all the way up. Kind of starts to end up here, and I don't know if it's because of my hair. It's not as bad up there, but see how it's like shiny? I don't know what the heck's going on here. Anyways, I'm going to take an Epsom salt bath. And the thing is, whatever this is, this shiny stuff, like, I wipe it and it's like nothing. If I keep wiping it, my skin gets red. That is like gross. And then look at under my chin. And I know it's from the targeting. All that is from the targeting. Because I wear a long sleeve shirt, turtleneck today. So this isn't even from the sun. You know, I haven't even, this area hasn't had direct contact with the sun. But look at underneath. Ooh. Now I don't know where these spots came from because they're not pimples. Okay, well anyways, I canceled my physical because school started, so when I go back I'm gonna get a referral to a dermatologist because these aren't even pimples. It's like underneath the skin. Okay, I just wanted to share that.